Bank Nifty 1 minute chart, November 2, 9:15 am. Gap up opening, positive start. After 1 minute of market open, 9:16 am, buy call generated, green color candle open. Daily in live market, it will generate calls like a signal in this chart. Today after 1 minute of market open, 9:16 am, buy call generated, green color candle open. Buy at 43,324, that is our entry point line. Straight white line from green color candle. Above lines are first target, second target line. Below red color line is the stop loss line. Daily in live market, automatically you will receive calls like a signal in this chart. Likewise today, buy call came at 43,324. First target 433. 109 point difference. More than 100 point first target range. After 20 minutes of market movement, from opening itself, it's a positive movement only. It finally break out the first target range. Like this today, call generated in 1 minute of market open and break out the target successfully. If you want to subscribe for this chart, for chart plan detail, you can send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We will provide the plan detail in WhatsApp. If you feel like it, you can subscribe for it. Thank you.